In today's video, I will walk you through how to block artists on Spotify. To get started, simply tap the link in the description to create your free account. Start by going to the artist's profile page. Make sure you're on the main page dedicated to that artist, where you can see their name along with options such as follow and shuffle play. The artist profile is where you'll find the menu needed to stop their music from playing. Once you're on the artist's profile, look for the three dots near the artist's name. On mobile, these are usually near the follow button or toward the top of the screen. On desktop, they can appear near the artist's name or under a More Options icon on the profile page. If you don't see the three dots immediately, check the top area of the artist's profile. Once you find them, open the menu by clicking or tapping the three dots. In the menu, look for the option that says Don't Play This Artist. Select Don't Play This Artist to apply the setting. Depending on your device or app version, the menu may look slightly different, but look for the option labeled Don't Play This Artist. Click or tap that option and the setting will be applied. After you select Don't Play This Artist, Spotify will stop playing music from that artist automatically. When Spotify builds playlists for you, starts a radio station, or continues with autoplay after a playlist ends, tracks from that artist will be skipped. Their songs can also be skipped when they appear in curated playlists or recommendations. If a track from that artist appears in a list, Spotify can move right past it when playback reaches that song. The setting applies to your account and your listening experience. It does not affect other listeners. The availability and interface details can vary depending on your region and the device you're using. However, the option is found through the artist's profile menu. To block an artist on Spotify, go to the artist's profile, open the three-dot menu, and select Don't Play This Artist. Once you make that selection, Spotify will skip that artist's music during playback. That's the complete process for blocking an artist on Spotify. Go to the artist's profile, open the three-dot menu, choose Don't Play This Artist, and the change is complete. Thank you for watching.